Let us know how to use a mixing machine properly.
You are mixing this wrongly. If you mix it with a mortar and pestle, it will not mix properly, and it will not be able to be used properly. Now we have got a new mixer machine for mixing mortar. You leave it, let me tell you how to use that machine. Come with me. This is mortar mixing machine. This is the mixing paddles. It has two handles and this is its switch. Whenever you have to work with this machine, hold the handle from both the sides and rotate it around while pressing the start button. This will mix your mortar properly. Let me show you how to use it once. Press while holding the handle like this. Okay. After using it, you have to clean its handle properly like this. This will clean its blade. Just like I have mixed the mortar, you also have to mix it and show it. Grab it, press the button, then spin it around. Then to clean it, it has to be swirled in clean water.
Mixing machines are used to mix concrete and other materials at construction sites. It is used to prepare strong and uniform mixture. When using the mixing machine, follow safety measures. You can also wear a dust mask and noise-reducing ear muffs. Place the concrete and other ingredients into the container of the mixing machine. See carefully that the ingredients are added in equal quantity. Turn on the machine and mix the ingredients thoroughly and follow the instructions on the machine. After finishing the work, shut off the machine in time and keep it in a safe place. Now let us understand what is the correct way to use our mixing machine. Follow safety measures. Put concrete and other materials into the mixing machine. Start the machine and mix the ingredients well. Keep the machine in a safe place after the work is finished. Use of notched trowel. Let us know how to use notched trowel properly.
To lay tiles, do you apply mortar with a trowel?
Yes, sir.
Due to this, the layer of mortar will be more or less, sometimes it will be less, sometimes it will be more, it will not be equal.
Yes, sir.
For this you should use notched trowel. These are its notches. If you apply mortar on the tile with this, then its surface will be uniform.
Yes, sir.
Let me tell you how to use it. Applying a uniform mortar will ensure that your tile is set properly and will never break when you fix it with a rubber hammer. Then check it once with a leveler. If it is in the center, then it is fine. If not, then correct it with a rubber hammer and then check with a leveler.
Notched trowel is used to apply mortar to tiles at a construction site. It has a zigzag-shaped blade which helps in applying the mortar to the tiles. When using a notched trowel, follow safety precautions. Use safety glasses, helmet, and gloves. Also use a dust mask to avoid dust and adhesives. Use a notched trowel to apply the mortar to the tiles. Make sure the mortar is applied in an even layer. After applying the mortar to the notched trowel, carefully and gently press the tiles into place so that they stick firmly. Clean the notched trowel after the job is finished. Now let us understand what is the correct way to use a notched trowel. Follow safety measures. Place the mortar on the notched trowel. Carefully and gently press the tiles into place so they stick firmly. Clean the notched trowel after you are finished. Use of mortar mixing tray. Let us know how to use mortar mixing tray correctly.
Wait, this isn't how mortar is prepared on the ground. Too much water has been added and cement is also flowing. We have a mixing tray for this, we will use that. This will make the mortar well and there will be no loss of material. This is a mixing tray, prepare the mortar in it. Pour as much cement as you need. Very good. You can see that the mortar is being prepared very well. It is mixed properly. Now add water to it. You understood how to prepare mortar in a mixing tray. Due to this, neither the ground got dirty, nor the water and cement got spoiled. The mortar was also prepared properly. The strength of the mortar prepared in this way is more than that made on the ground. That is why mortar should always be prepared in a mixing tray.
Mortar mixing tray is used to mix cement mortar and other materials at construction sites. It is used to prepare strong and uniform mortar mix. When using mortar mixing trays, follow safety precautions. Use safety glasses, helmet and gloves. Those dealing with noise can also wear dust masks and earmuffs. Place the cement mortar and other materials in a mixing tray. Make sure to add ingredients in equal amounts. Mix the ingredients well so that a uniform mortar mixture is prepared. Work slowly and carefully when using the mixing tray. Clean the mixing tray after you are finished. Let us know what is the correct way to use mortar mixing tray. Follow safety measures. Place the cement mortar and other ingredients in a mixing tray. Mix the ingredients well. Clean the mixing tray after you are finished. Let's test our training by answering some questions. For what purpose is the mixing machine used? A. To mix concrete and materials. B. To cook. C. To paint. What should be done with the mixing machine after the work is finished? A. Keep the machine running. B. Stop on time and park in a safe place. C. Leave the machine as it is. For what purpose is notched trawl used? A. To apply mortar to tiles. B. To drain the water. C. For security measures. Should safety measure be followed while using mortar mixing tray? A. Yes. B. No.